Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create pin on Facebook Messenger. So first of all, you have to open up your Messenger application. On your Messenger application, you have to click on the menu that is present at the top left corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to click on the settings icon. On your settings, you have to tap on privacy and safety. In privacy and safety, you have to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Now over here, you have to tap on message storage. In message storage, you have to click on turn on secure storage. Now it's your choice, either you want to create a 6-digit PIN or a 40-character code. So I will use the 6-digit PIN, then click on continue. Now you have to enter your PIN. So for example, I will add this as my PIN. Now confirm it and wait for a few seconds. So now as you can see, I have easily created a PIN on my Facebook Messenger. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.